Right now what's happening is people are parking their bikes, and there's a mix of what people are actually doing. Some people are parking them in bike racks, and then some people are just dropping them off wherever they want to drop them off. And so what we're trying to do is educate people to let them know that it is not okay to leave a bicycle or a scooter in the middle of a sidewalk. Basically what we're achieving to do here is make sure that everybody has equal access to the sidewalk. We want to make sure that everybody is able to get past and safely and do it safely as well.
There's one, look at there's two right on the boardwalk right there.
Yeah, I think it's pretty easy to avoid getting a parking citation on a rideable. All you have to do is use the common sense theory. There's not infrastructure on every single block, but there are parkways that people can park the bikes away from the sidewalk. So the general rule of thumb is keeping it out of the path of the sidewalk. There's different types of bike racks. There's corrals that are located right in the street. There's landing pads that are built for these where they're just drop zones, and there's paint on the ground. We're continuing a regular public use bike rack is more than acceptable. So there is going to be a level of tolerance that we're allowing for. The priority for us is definitely going to be safety related. So if there's a bicycle in the middle of a crosswalk, if there's a bicycle in the middle of a sidewalk, any of the rideables out there, they will be cited. And the citation doesn't actually go to the person. It actually goes to the vendor, and it's up to the vendor from there to see if they want to distribute that back to the consumer.